In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your board in Miro. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just want to keep a backup of your work, knowing how to save your board properly ensures you never lose your ideas. Start by opening your Miro board. Look at the top left corner of the screen and find the three-dot menu. This is where Miro hides a lot of useful options. Click it and from the drop-down list choose Board, then select Export. Here you'll see a few ways to save your board: PDF, image or CSV, depending on what you need. If you select Save as PDF, Miro will turn each frame into a separate page. For the best results, paid users can choose Best Vector, which gives you high resolution exports and even clickable links. Free users can still export, though at a lower resolution. Next, if you prefer an image format, choose Save as Image and pick between JPG or PNG. You can also adjust the image size from small to large. Again, paid plans give you access to sharper, higher quality exports. Perfect if you are printing or presenting. Finally, there's Export to CSV, which is great for extracting text from sticky notes, shapes, or cards. This works on both the browser and desktop versions of Miro, giving you flexibility no matter how you work. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can save, share, or archive your Miro board in the format that works best for you. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Miro tips.